Hi guys, how are you? And I'm here with another question related to RHCSA Exam 200. This question is create a container using the information given in the file on Node 1 server A as user mic. So it could be Node 1 server A, VM1, system 1, any name of the server in your real-time exam scenario. And here I have given username Mike, it could be any. Okay, so use this URL and build an image, name my count. Okay, so this name could be different and you will be given a URL like this. You will have to use that URL to create this image. Okay, so do not make any changes to the container file. In the exam you will just use this URL to get the file, so you do not have to make any changes. But in our practice at home we do not have this URL, so we'll have to do something to create this image. So let's go to our machine and I show you what you have to do to practice, right? First of all, let's check if we have this user, and in the exam you will be given the user will have been created. Just in case it's not there, you can create it. Like I'm gonna see, yeah, we already have my. So now most likely you have the user in the exam. Okay, if not, then you can create and they might give you the password. You will have to give that password. If otherwise you can give any password, but what I'm saying, it will be already created. Okay, so one thing I would suggest to you, will not switch to this user using su hyphen command. Okay, instead you uh, SSH to this user and then perform this task, because otherwise there will be a problem and you will not get the desired result. That is a long story, but just leave it. You don't have to pay attention to this. You only pay attention to the solution to this question. Okay, so let me check the, yes, this is the IP. So what you can do, SSH mic, and you are going to SSH to this machine. Okay, so that is why I'm putting this IP address, right, and say yes, and then password for this euro I don't remember, but I don't know what was the password for this. Yes, finally I'm here. Let me create it. Okay, so remember this step, you have to set SSH to this user. Okay, you can use the same machine IP to SSH to um, go to this user home directory. Okay, then let me check. Yes, we are here. And then you will create this file. You do not have to do this step in the exam, but as we do not have that URL, that's the reason. So we are going to get everything from the online library, where this image library live, we we are going to pull the image from there. Okay, and like ITPD, and give its version this, and then save it. Once you are done with it, then run this command, podman build -t, and as per the question, name is my count. Okay, so you have to put this name for this image. You are creating image by this name. Build an image, name my count. And in the current directory, so put here this one, just hit it. So it's good. Now just to check if the image is created or not, just run this command. It's there, right? It's there, it's just created. So this is a solution to this question, but next question is related to this one. So let's move on to the next one, which is this question. Okay, so it says that configure a container as a service. On node 1 server A, create a rootless container to start automatically as systemd service as follows. The container name is my PDF and the container uses the monitor image. We actually gave the image name my count, right? My count. I think we gave this name to this image. Let me check. Yeah, my count. So we have to use the same. Okay. So my count that was previously created in the another item. So this is what is talking about the previous question. We have created this. Okay. So we have to use the same image and the container run as systemd service as the existing user mic only. And the service named is container my PDF, and the container automatically start after a system reboot without any manual intervention. The local directory slash opt slash file is attached to the containers slash opt slash incoming directory. The local directory slash opt slash processed is attached to the containers slash opt slash outgoing directory. So these are the steps we have to follow, but this one, just ignore it. Okay, it is nothing. But one thing, if the service is working properly, any plain text file placed in slash opt slash file will automatically be converted to a PDF file and placed into slash opt outgoing with the same file. Or just leave it. Just concentrate towards the above. You will get this different message during the exam. Just ignore it and pay attention to the upper part. So let's go to our machine and solve this question. We have to use the same image, right? So one thing I just want to tell you that in the exam you will all already have slash opt slash files directory and slash opt slash process directory, and you can check it, but you will not have to create in the exam, but in your practice you will have to create it. Okay, so what you would do, you have to create this directory yourself under this user. So first you exit from here and just change the permission on this directory slash opt like 777 so that you could perform and create directories as a normal user. Okay, now again remember you have to SSH to this user, right? So I'm gonna put the password for this user. Yeah, and let me clear it. Now we have to create first thing. use a my count image that was previously. Okay, we have to use this image and run as systemd service existing user mic only, services name container, and this. Okay, so we have to, in the exam you will have these directories created already, but as we don't have in our scenario, so we'll have to create this slash opt files directory and slash opt process directories. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create this directory here, mkdir slash opt slash files, right? And then other one is processed, right? Let me put some data, like test one. I'm gonna put one these files, okay? And put some directories under process, some files under process directory, which will be 1 to 6. Okay, it is okay. Now you do not have to just do this in the exam. You will most likely have these directories and some files under it. But in our practice at home, you will have to do this. Okay, this is the for the second step. First, you have to SSH to the user, and then you have to do this step in your practice. But in the exam, you only have to SSH to this user, and then you have to start the next step, right? So let me check. Yes, those are here. And then we are going to create container using the same image, okay? And run it in the background, and hyphen of a name. What was the name? As per the question, the name. Okay, okay, the service name is container my PDF. Container name is my PDF. Mm, only give this one my PDF, right? And then we have to do this step slash opt slash files, and we have to map this to slash opt slash incoming, and you have to put this z because this will synchronize with SA Linux policy, okay? Like context, etc. So you have to put this one, and next you have to do, because this is the directory will be created in this container, and from your local system the data will be uh, transferred here automatically, okay? So that is why we are creating this. And next one is, again you will have to do slash opt slash processed, and then OPT, and then outgoing, and then capital Z, and our image name is my count, right? What was the image name? Image name was my count. Yes. Yeah. And you see this, it means it's created. So how you will check it? Podman. Yes. So here you can see 12 seconds ago it's created. It was created, right? So my PDF, we gave this name to our container. After doing this, what you have to do, you have to create a directory structure for this user, put -p, then config, and you have to use the same path because it's required the same way. Okay. So once this is done, you have to cd to this path. Okay, let me ls, nothing is there, right? So now after cd, what you do, you will run this command to generate this service, systemd service. Okay, systemd, and name is my pdf. This is container name, and then you have to write files and then hyphen new, right? It will create this service. Look, here is created, right? And then you have to reload it. Systemctl hyphen user d, oh, spelling mistake, my bad. Okay, it's done. Let me clear it. And then you have to start the service. And what you will do, just let me ls so that you could copy the service, and then you will do this and paste this here, right? And then just happen system ctl oh yeah, systemctl, this one. Once it's started, you have to enable it. Okay, it's enabled. You can check the status. Look, here is running. Put it. And now what you have to do, you can go, let me clear it first. Podman -exec and my PDF, and then you have to write bash. We are inside this container, and now let me check OPT files. Sorry, it's not files, incoming. Look here, we have the data. It means it is properly mapped and data is available in the container now. And same way we can check the other directory. Yeah, this is also good. Okay, so what you have to do in the exam, you have to uh, reboot your system after doing all this, and then you have to check it. Okay, remember, you must reboot it, and you have to check that if the uh, container is coming up and is boot persistent, because in the question it is written that the service should be boot persistent. Okay, attach and say system reboot without any manual intervention. So if you want, I can reboot it just to show you that. First, let me exit from here. So it will take some time. Let me pause it for a while. So guys, the system is back. Let's check. Mm, Again, access to that user. Let's check the status. Container dot my PDF, right? This was the service name, and then service, right? Let me check. Guys, let me check it. Yeah, look here, the container is running. So let's quit from here. Let me clear it, and then again, let's check. Go inside the container, and let's check if directories which we have mapped have the same data after rebooting the system. My PDF, this is our container name, and then we'll put this. We are in. Oh, my bad. My spellings are very bad, so be careful with spelling. We are in inside, and let's check incoming. Look here, data is here. So let me check. Oh, it's not. It's actually outgoing. Now, look here. Data is here, so it means our question is perfect. Okay, we have solved it, and it's a correct answer. Once you get this result, it means you have done it perfectly. Okay, so after doing everything, you have to reboot the system. When it comes back, you have to check the status. If the container is running, then you have to go inside this container and check the data is being accessed or not, which you have, because you have mapped the local system directly to your container. So everything is perfect. And guys, I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video to other, and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification of the new stuff. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.